Hi there, welcome to Paint the Kitchen Red. I'm Nina, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make tandoori chicken in your air fryer. This chicken is an amazing recipe and I love the flavors from the vibrant tandoori spices, fenugreek, ginger, garlic. Every bite of this restaurant quality tandoori chicken is tender and flavor packed, and it is a crowd pleaser. So I hope you get a chance to try it out. Here are the ingredients you're going to need for this recipe. 4 pieces of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, 3/4 of a teaspoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of ginger paste or half a teaspoon of ginger powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic paste or half a teaspoon of garlic powder. I like to use the pastes because they have a real vibrant flavor, but the powders work pretty well. So if you don't have them, you can use the powders, or you can even use finely minced ginger and garlic. 1/3 cup of plain Greek yogurt or whole milk yogurt. Remove the whey from the yogurt if there is any, because otherwise it'll be too liquidy and it'll make a big mess. 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt or to taste. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or lime juice. Half a teaspoon of brown sugar or to taste. I like to add brown sugar to the recipe because it balances out the flavors. 2 teaspoons of olive oil or vegetable oil, and you'll need a little more for spraying the chicken. 4 teaspoons of tandoori masala spice mix. I use the Shan brand of tandoori spice mix, and this is something that I'll give you a link in the comments. If you can't find tandoori spice mix, you can use individual spices, which I'll tell you about at the end of this list of ingredients. 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder or paprika, and this is for color. And finally, 2 teaspoons of dried fenugreek leaves, which are also known as methi. Make sure you don't use fenugreek seeds, which are a completely different ingredient. If you can't find the Shan tandoori masala, you can get Shan tikka masala spice mix. And if you can't find either, substitute 1.5 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of cumin, and salt to taste. Let's start out by making the marinade. In a medium bowl, combine the yogurt, ginger, garlic, onion powder, salt, tandoori spice, paprika, fenugreek leaves, lemon juice, and oil. Stir all the spices and yogurt together to make a smooth paste. Add the sauce to the chicken, and you can let it marinate for a few hours. It'll be even better because you'll have the flavor penetrating the chicken. But if you don't have the time, you can just cook it right away. One other thing I like to do sometimes is to make slashes in the chicken pieces so that the marinade gets through. Preheat the air fryer at 380 degrees for about 5 minutes. Spray the bottom of the air fryer basket with some oil and add the chicken to the basket. Spray the tops of the chicken pieces with some oil and air fry the chicken for about 13 minutes at 380 degrees Fahrenheit. At about halfway through the cooking, about 7 minutes in, flip the chicken pieces. As you can see, it's probably better to use a spatula than tongs. A couple of minutes before the time's up, just check on the chicken to make sure it's not overcooking or burning. The chicken is done when the internal temperature of the thickest part is at 180 degrees Fahrenheit. And if it isn't, you can cook it for just a little bit longer. And there you have it, tandoori chicken. I hope you enjoy the recipe, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.